subject plus am oblique are oblique is plus scared of plus verb plus ing দ্বারা কিছু বাক্য তৈরি। Lesson 1 I am scared of comment. আমি মন্তব্য করতে ভয় পাই। I am scared of comment. He is scared of drive. সে গাড়ি চালাতে ভয় পায়। He is scared of drive. Isn't he scared of drive? সে কি গাড়ি চালাতে ভয় পায় না? Isn't he scared of drive? Is he scared of swimming? সে কি সাঁতার কাটতে ভয় পায়? Is he scared of swimming? I am very scared of him. আমি তাকে খুব ভয় পাই। I am very scared of him. I am scared of speaking English. আমি ইংরেজি বলতে ভয় পাই। I am scared of speaking English. She is too scared of work. সে কাজ করতে খুব ভয় পায়। She is too scared of work. Isn't she too scared of work? সে কি কাজ করতে খুব ভয় পায় না? Isn't she too scared of work? Am I scared of go abroad? আমি কি বিদেশ যেতে ভয় পাই? Am I scared of go abroad? Is he scared of taking injection? সে কি ইনজেকশন নিতে ভয় পায়? Is he scared of taking injection? She is very scared of her father. সে তার বাবাকে খুব ভয় পায়। She is very scared of her father. Isn't she very scared of her father? সে কি তার বাবাকে খুব ভয় পায় না? Isn't she very scared of her father? Am I very scared of my boss? আমি কি আমার বসকে খুব ভয় পাই? Am I very scared of my boss? Is she scared of get on the plane? সে কি প্লেনে চড়তে ভয় পায়? Is she scared of get on the plane? Am I scared of ride a bike? আমি কি বাইক চালাতে ভয় পাই? Am I scared of ride a bike? Am I scared of talk to him? আমি কি তার সাথে কথা বলতে ভয় পাই? Am I scared of talk to him? He is scared of walking at night. সে রাতে একা হাঁটতে ভয় পায়। He is scared of walking at night. Isn't he scared of walking at night? সে কি রাতে একা হাঁটতে ভয় পায় না? Isn't he scared of walking at night? Am I scared of driving a cycle? আমি কি সাইকেল চালাতে ভয় পাই? Am I scared of driving a cycle? Aren't you scared of driving a cycle? তুমি কি সাইকেল চালাতে ভয় পাও না? Aren't you scared of driving a cycle? He is scared of swimming in the river. সে নদীতে সাঁতার কাটতে ভয় পায়। He is scared of swimming in the river. He is scared of bathing in cold water. সে ঠান্ডা পানিতে গোসল করতে ভয় পায়। He is scared of bathing in cold water. He is scared of talking with his teachers. সে তার শিক্ষকদের সাথে কথা বলতে ভয় পায়. He is scared of talking with his teachers. Isn't he scared of talking with his teachers? সে কি তার শিক্ষকদের সাথে কথা বলতে ভয় পায় না? Isn't he scared of talking with his teachers? Is he scared of to take part in the election? তিনি কি নির্বাচনে অংশ নিতে ভয় পাচ্ছেন? Is he scared of to take part in the election?